Welcome to Chapter 1 of Starting from Scratch. So this is our ebook that we're going to work through chapter by chapter. It's going to teach you how to program in Scratch and also teach you things about computers in general, so you can better interact with technology as you get older in life, because technology is going to be everywhere. So the first thing you're going to do, everything's going to be in a Google document. So we're not saving this anywhere on the computer, we're saving it in the cloud. So that's a storage space on the internet, on a server somewhere else that Google has, so it won't be in the building. So this way, no matter what computer you sit at or what city you're in, as long as you log into your Google account, it will save your work. So the first thing you do is you need to log into your Google account, and your Google account is the year you graduate. So if you're a 6th grader, it's going to be in 20, 7th grade 19, and 6th grade is 18. This is going to be the first three of your first name, the first three of your last name, and it's at m.kckps.org. And your password starts out kckps, all lowercase, and then it's your testing password. So then you just type in whatever your testing password is, and then you're going to sign in. So make sure this button "Stay Signed In" is unchecked, because that means it'll leave your Google account up if you close the Google window. So you don't want that being on there for other students. So I'm going to sign in to a fake account that I have. It's a real Gmail, but it's not my real one to actually use. Okay. So, I, on Meadows, sent you this. So this is a Google document, and you can't edit this right now because this is my copy. So this is my copy of it. So if you look, you can't click, and you're going to read everything like it's a book. And then when it says sentence answer, you're going to give it an answer, but you can't type on it yet. So what you need to do to be able to edit this is you need to make a copy of it. You see right here it says View Only. So what you need to do is we need to go to File, make a copy. You're going to name it, so name it your name, and then you can just put Starting from Scratch Chapter 1. So I just put SFS. And so make your own copy of it. Sometimes it takes a second. So this is real neat because this is something that you use a lot in high school. So while it's loading, I could show you other things you have in here. Is you have the Google apps. So we have Google Plus, which is kind of like Facebook, it's a social network. You can search, there's YouTube, Maps, Google Play, kind of like the apps, it's an app store. There's News, Gmail, Drive, that's where all your things are stored, and then there's a calendar, that's really handy. So Drive had an issue, so let's try reloading this. Just hit F5 or hit the little circle to refresh. I'm happy this happened. It's annoying, but at least get to see what happens now. So now you see it's loading right up, and my name's here, so it's my name. So this is my copy now. So now when you come down and read about computers, you have to write down 3 everyday tasks that humans perform, but computers cannot. We're not very good at. So a computer doesn't have a brain. They have feelings. They can't. So a computer cannot express emotion. So that's a sentence right there. So I mean, you could fake emotion, but every computer really can't feel true emotion. It can follow a program, but it actually feel real emotions. And so you keep on going down, and we'll keep on reading, and you'll see there's information here about server. That's where your information is stored in Google Drive. Keep going down, and if you see it says answer, that means it could be not a complete sentence. You can type a sentence, but it could be 1 word or less. I mean 1 word or more. Sometimes it's real simple. Some more information here to read about computers and technology. Then we get to the Scratch section. So you see right here where there's a video button, it means there's a video you need to watch. So this one is for the catwalk. So you're going to make the cat walk across the screen like this. This is the old version of Scratch, but it's really a lot similar. There's a couple things they changed, so you'll just need to translate from old Scratch to new Scratch, which is a skill that I believe you guys have. And then when you see Nyan Cat, that means you need to paste the URL. So that means on your Scratch document, when on your Scratch, you're actually going to see, so on your Scratch. So you're going to need to copy and paste your Scratch project. You got to make sure to share it too. If you don't share it, I won't be able to see it. So there'll be a share button. So I'll go ahead and sign into mine so you can see it. So if you look at your stuff, you'll see there is a project. There's a share button. If you don't hit this, I can't see it. When it's shared, it looks like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on something, and you'll see there's no numbers here right now. And what there is that your project's going to have numbers, and you're going to copy and paste and turn that in for the chapter 1. So you see those numbers, those numbers go to my project. So you're going to copy and paste all this when you're done, and you're going to paste it right here. It says the URL. And the URL is this. It stands for Universal Resource Locator. Okay. So, Google Apps, I'll install that. So, keep on going down to Frere Jacques. It's a song. You're going to make that. So, you're going to copy his song. And then down here, you're going to make your own song. It doesn't even make sense. You could do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or something. Happy Birthday. Look up notes. If you know how to read notes, you'll be able to translate it. Or just make some random dubsteppy, soundy, random music. It's whatever. Just make your own beat and put it there. And then there'll be some questions to see if you understood Scratch. And so you're going to answer all these. I'm going to make sure they're checked. And if it says sentence, and it says this answer, give it a short answer. And then we come down to Scratch Cat Ran Nyan Cat, then it's done. And so that will be chapter 1. Then you could just turn this into me, but make sure that you share it. So right now only I can see it. See, private only I can access. You need to change this so you can put public on the web. That means anyone can see it. You can say anyone with the link or shared privately. So you just send it straight to me. I suggest you just click on anyone with the link because you don't want to put it in Google. And you can make it so they can comment on it. You can edit on it. So you want to turn on comments so that way I could leave comments. And anyone with the link, because you're going to send me the link. Then you save it. And then you're just going to copy and paste this and turn it on in Moto. And that's how we're going to do the ebook. So welcome to Google Docs and welcome to Scratch.